Hi guys, let's assemble the push rider toy from Nissan Chief. The tools required are a small plier and plus or star scooter. And please note that if you have a magnetic scooter, it's very helpful. If you don't have it, don't worry. You just place a small magnetic on the shaft with the screwdriver. You will get a small magnetic effect, and you can see the spares. These are the spares, the wheel steering and the backrest, and finally the body. Okay, and before assembling, read instruction manual carefully. First, fix the ears. Each is consists of 3 screws. We have total 2 types of screws. Smaller ones are for the ears and the bigger 2 screws are for the back plate. You can see that black color plate that should be fixed on the back side, and I guess it's better to remove both axes before fixing ears, and you will get more space. Fix both ears, then fix the yellow backrest. Just press it on the body, and also fix the back plate with the 2 screws. Now going to fix the tires. The axle, there is, you can see the washer, and we are going to lock it down by this clip. And first you have to put, you can see the axle, there is one small position, and first insert the one washer and the tire like this, and the same one I already inserted the washer. See, there is washer, and insert the wheel. This thing, the same one for the next one, for front wheel. And the last tire. Clip. Then fix the wheel cap. Yeah, this side is okay, and then now for the next side. Okay, And for the last one, okay, for final, this is steering. Okay, like this, you can see there's a small hole. We have to insert this screw here. Like this, and insert the screw. Okay. There's a screw and small nut. This thing we have to fix here. Now you can see. Okay, then tighten. Finished. Now you can see steering. To fix this plate, there is small 2 screws. I bought it from Flipkart for rupees around 1300. So smooth. See. This seat we can lift, and there is a small space, and there is one and steering, maybe 1.5 kg weight. The product quality is good. I recommend this one. And to compare the size, see, this is Decathlon between water bottle. And you can see that tile length is 2 feet.